Everyone, today let's go over an easy question that I just solved on my own after some trial and error because the description is kind of confusing. So honestly, let's not even look at this. Let's read the first sentence and let's see. So you're given an integer array and an integer k, and if basically both are in bounds, so from the current minus k, which is 1, and the current plus k indices is 5. If the current is bigger than both of those numbers, then you add current to the result. Otherwise, if, for example, 1 exists, but the other doesn't exist, if 3 is still bigger than 1, then 3 counts. That's the only other condition for 5. Since the right doesn't exist, but the left exists, and the current is bigger than the left 2, then add 5. So really confusing, but let's go ahead and code it up. For I in range length nums, so if I plus k, or I minus k is bigger than or equal to 0, so not out of bounds to the left, and I plus k is less than length of nums, so not out of bounds to the right, then we have both elements. This is a simple case, so let's call this current. If current, let's call this before, is going to be nums of I minus k, after is nums of I plus k. So if current is bigger than before and current is bigger than after, so 2 is bigger than 1 and 2 is bigger than 5, not in this case though. So if that were the case, then result plus equals to current. Otherwise, if both don't exist, so let's say if I minus k is bigger than or equal to 0, but I plus k is bigger than or equal to length of nums, that means like we're at 5. The right guy goes out of bounds, but the left guy is in bounds in that case, and nums current is bigger than the left guy because it still exists in bounds. So current is bigger than nums of I minus k. Then you can also add current. Same with the right side. If I minus k is less than 0, so the left guy doesn't exist, but the right guy exists and the current is bigger than the right guy, then add the current. The current being 3. If I is minus k is less than 0 and I plus k is less than length of nums, means we have a right guy. And current is bigger than nums of I plus k. In that case, also add current, and then at the end we can just return the result. So yeah, it was really confusing, but I finally got this on my own, so that's good. Hope this clarified a little bit what they mean, because the description is a bit ambiguous when they say neither. So thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.